Hi, welcome to Desert Garage. I'm bringing you a 1997 Ford F150 bought from the city auction. And I started to do this on my new camera, and it was cutting the footage very short. I don't know why. So this thing was bought from the city auction for $639, and it blew a spark plug out the hole. But it's got 147,000 miles on it, and I know it runs, and I know it drives, but I mean, it's not in bad shape. It's an old work truck, nothing special. Got part of the radio that someone broke, and there's the rest of it there. But yeah, I did a video, will it run, and trying to fix it, and well, like I said, my new camera was malfunctioning. And you know, it's one of those things, Chinese stuff. Sometimes I don't pay to buy Chinese stuff, but this truck even came with all the factory books. If I can get it out of my hand here. But yeah, it came with all the factory books and everything. You know, and it was a city vehicle its whole life. So, I mean, it's never been anything else. But yeah, I never thought I was going to actually sit here and win the bid on it. Because, I mean, $639, you figure you ain't going to get a truck for that kind of money. Well, I did, so that's why I sold the Buick. Because I need a truck in my life here. And, you know, there's not a whole lot in this thing. But yeah, so I got to take and use my phone for a little while longer, unfortunately. And there ain't nothing really in it. They cleaned it out pretty good. I don't even know if the AC works in it. Headliner's non-existent, but that's okay. You know, and stuff like this is all broke. You know, a little broken up right there, but I mean, for an old work truck, you know, the city takes care of them pretty good. But you got manual windows, they all work. Manual locks all work. But yeah, it blew the spark plug out of the hole, and that's why they sent it to auction, because it was actually the oldest vehicle in their fleet. So we went ahead and got a helicoil kit. It blew this one out right here. We got a helicoil kit. We put a helicoil in it, so we're just waiting for the Loctite to dry, so that way the helicoil sleeve don't come out. But it was a challenge. It was a very big challenge, but trying to find the right stuff for it that would actually fit down in those holes. So, but I mean, for the most part, yeah, I mean, it's not a bad old truck. Like I said, I know it runs. But we're gonna give it a few minutes here. We gotta jump start it because that battery is no good. Even though it is 9 of 22, it doesn't even try to hold a charge at all. It goes dead immediately. So I end up having to buy a new battery, and this sucker, she big. She's a very big battery. It's a 65G group. But she's a regular bed, or regular cab. She's a long bed, but she got almost new tires on her. I mean, the tires are in really good shape all the way around. It's even got the little little knobbies here. So, and the oil's just been changed not too long ago before they parked it. And it's got a full-size spare under there. It don't even look like it's ever been on the road. It's still got the tag on it. But these things, they're 16-inch tires, so they're easy to find. These are load range E's, but this truck has only been out of service for, let's see, a month and a half. But the bed's not all beat up. This truck was mainly used for an on-call truck with the city, the streets department. So, yeah, it only got driven, at night, really. Tailgate works. But, no, it's not a bad old truck. So, here in a few, we'll crank her back up and see what she'll do. And hopefully she don't blow the spark plug back out again. I've used the helicoil kits before, and they've worked. I've used them on the 4.6 liter cop cars, and it's basically the same engine. It's a 4.6. I didn't want to have to put a new head on it because, the heads are kind of hard to do on these because everything goes underneath the firewall so dang far. So I damn sure don't want to do a head. I figure, well, if it doesn't work, the helicoil does not work on it, then we'll just go ahead and maybe just throw it up for sale for $700 or something, and I'll go look for another one. So we're gonna try to fire it up in here in a few minutes, and like I said, it runs really good, and the transmission does work. So one of my friends actually used to drive this truck all the time, so I knew what I was getting into. But I only saw just a couple pictures of it. I didn't go look at it in person. I saw a couple pictures. I threw a bid on it and left it alone. Didn't think I was actually going to win the truck. So it's kind of an accident that I did win it. But really, only thing got here is this, and then right here, the floor is fair. Like I said, for an old work truck, it's not bad at all. I have a video of working on it from earlier, but like I said, it kept cutting my videos off at 15 minutes, and then the battery went dead. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to salvage those videos. I will try very hard. I don't know if it's going to work, though. So, as I said, well, that's kind of dirty, but it's got 147,947 miles. So, not bad for 97. It'd be a good truck, and I got a toolbox to go across the back. So, but yeah, these tires are just in really good shape. All the way around, and that's what they look like. So, we're gonna try it here in a few and see if she fires up, and maybe come back and take her for a drive. I can pause this. I'm going to be using my phone a little bit till I figure out this thing with this new camera. Like I said, Chinese camera. Not the easiest thing to operate. But we'll see. I don't know why I did that. I got to do some more research on it. Why I kept kicking the videos at 15 minutes, and then all of a sudden it was starting a whole new video. Not too bad if you got editing software, which I do got on my laptop, and I wasn't able to actually finish the video completely because of the fact being that the battery went dead. So it did not hold very long, really. I think total time it held for like 30 minutes. So I may have to explore different situation, camera situation, maybe go like the newest GoPros or something, because they come with tripods and stuff. I mean, I do like this camera because it is on a remote and it's pretty easy. I mean, for the most part, it's easy to operate, except for the pausing and functions, other functions. But so I'm gonna bring my car over here. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video. As soon as we get her to fire up, I'll restart this video back up, and maybe we'll take her for a little spin. So I will indeed be right back, and whether or not, I'll let you know whether it blew the spark plug back out of it or if it actually held it in. So I'll be right back in just a few minutes. Well, here we are. She's up and running. The helicoil did indeed work with it. Quiet as a church mouse. AC don't work in it, but yeah. I got everything all put up here. Maybe we'll take her for a little drive. Can't go too far in here because I don't got no tags or insurance. And the seat belts are stuck underneath the seat. Oh, I just pointed right out the windshield there. Got my trusty assistant brother from another mother. We don't need no damn headlights on. For a $639 pickup, this really ain't a bad deal so far, if this holds up and doesn't pop another spark plug out of the hole. Over 3/4 of a tank of gas. It's charging. Good oil pressure. Just can't go wrong. Shifts really good. Not a problem shifting at all. Oh, bumps. I think what we got here is a pretty damn good old pickup. Really? Fix some of this little shit wrong with it. I think it'll be fine. Get maybe another 20,000 miles out of it before I decide I see something else I want and I sell it. We're just going for a drive around the dirt roads over here, and since it is not licensed or insured yet, but yeah, y'all looking around, you see why I have my channel Desert Garage, because I mean, we're out here in the desert. Even though I do have a shop at my house, we just can't get into it. So that is the key for Desert Garage. And I stood corrected. The oil has not been changed on it yet, but it's only 300 miles past due, so that ain't too bad. Damn, this thing got cruise control and everything, but it don't work. Nah, it doesn't even come on. Maybe I can fix the radio, I don't know. The face of it's in here, so. Shit, I do believe this is a pretty damn good old truck. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, good for an old city truck. Pretty good.
ends on the 7th of December, which I believe is Friday. And no, that's Saturday. No, it ends on, I think it ends on Friday. But either way, it's the end of next week, so we're currently winning a vehicle for, I shit you not, $25. I'm the only one that's bidding on this thing. So, even if we can get it for $300, we might go ahead and pick it up and bring it in, and it's got lower mileage than this thing does. But yeah, we definitely got us a pretty good vehicle right here. So we'll park this thing right up here out of the way. So as I always say, this concludes this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, especially subscribe. And well, we'll come back with another one. Peace.